In previous slide we have seen the resistance spot welding. Now in this video we are discussing about the resistance seam welding. This is the diagram of resistance seam welding. These are the electrodes, but these electrodes are in the form of roller. AC supply is given to this roller and current is passed, and these are the plates to be joined of different materials. So with the help of this roller we can join these two plates by applying the pressure over these two plates, by applying the heat here with the help of current, and these two plates are joined like a seam. Means number of spot welds can be done with the help of single seam, and these two plates are joined. The seam welding look like this. This is the one of the metal plate and this is the another metal plate. These two plates are joined, and these joint look like in the way which is shown in the figure. So this is called as the resistance seam welding. It is also work on the principle of H equal to I square RT, but here in spot welding one spot is created. In seam welding number of spots at a very small interval they can be created and joints are made. So in this way resistance spot welding is nothing but the one of the type of resistance. Seam welding is nothing but the one of the type of resistance spot welding. So it is used, welding current is used is 2000 ampere to 5000 ampere. Welding speed is 1.5 meter per minute for thin sheet. It is used for oil switches, transformers, refrigerators, evaporators, condensers, aircraft tank, paint, varnishes, containers. So this is all about the resistance seam welding. And this resistance seam welding, which is similar to resistance spot welding, only difference is that number of spots can be created with the help of resistance welding. Means the production is high in resistance seam welding as compared to resistance in the spot welding. So this is related with the resistance seam welding, and it can be asked in the exam or in the question paper like explain the resistance seam welding, or on which formula this resistance seam welding creates the heat. That formula is H equal to I square RT. So this figure is important, and in that resistance seam welding how this joint is prepared, this figure is also important. If you draw this and if you are not drawn this, so you will not get the full marks. So for getting the full marks you have to draw both and explain properly. It is the type of one of the type of resistance welding. Okay.